When people think of fitness, they often focus solely on exercise routines or hitting the gym. However, creating a truly effective fitness plan requires a more holistic approach, one that takes into account the interconnectedness of physical activity, mental well-being, nutrition, rest, and lifestyle choices. A holistic fitness plan considers the entire body and mind, aiming not just for physical health, but for long-term wellness and balance. In this video, we'll explore how to design a holistic fitness plan tailored to your needs, addressing key components like physical movement, nutrition, mental health, and lifestyle habits. Holistic fitness is about recognizing that the mind, body, and spirit are interconnected. Rather than simply focusing on the physical aspects of fitness like strength or endurance, a holistic approach considers how various elements work together to support overall well-being. Key components of a holistic fitness plan include 1. Physical exercise, including strength training, cardiovascular exercise, flexibility, and mobility. 2. Nutrition, providing the body with the nutrients it needs for optimal performance and recovery. 3. Mental health, incorporating mindfulness, meditation, and stress management techniques. 4. Recovery and rest, ensuring adequate sleep, rest days, and relaxation techniques to allow the body to repair and grow. 5. Lifestyle, managing habits, routines, and behaviors that contribute to long-term health and happiness. A holistic approach to fitness allows you to enhance your physical health, while simultaneously improving your mental clarity, emotional balance, and overall well-being. Before diving into any fitness plan, it's crucial to establish clear, realistic goals. This helps shape the framework of your holistic fitness plan and keeps you motivated along the way. Questions to ask yourself. 1. What are my primary fitness goals? For example, weight loss, strength building, flexibility, mental clarity, etc. 2. How do I feel physically, mentally, and emotionally? 3. What areas of my life need more balance? 4. Am I currently dealing with any stress, injury, or fatigue that needs to be addressed? Setting goals that encompass both physical and mental wellness can guide you toward a more balanced, sustainable approach. For example, rather than focusing solely on losing weight, you might set a goal to feel more energized, reduce stress, and improve your mobility, all while maintaining a healthy body weight. A holistic fitness plan emphasizes a balanced and varied approach to movement. It's not just about lifting weights or running for miles, it's about including diverse forms of exercise that support your overall health. Core components of physical movement. 1. Strength training. Building muscle not only improves physical strength but also supports bone density, metabolic health, and longevity. Incorporate weightlifting, bodyweight exercises, or resistance band training. 2. Cardiovascular exercise. Cardiovascular activities like running, cycling, swimming, or walking improve heart health, endurance, and calorie burn. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week. 3. Flexibility and mobility. Flexibility exercises, such as yoga or stretching, enhance range of motion and reduce the risk of injury. Mobility work, like foam rolling or dynamic stretches, helps maintain joint health and functional movement. 4. Balance and coordination. Activities like Tai Chi, Pilates, or balance training improve stability and prevent falls, especially as you age. The key is to mix and match these elements to create a well-rounded physical fitness routine. For example, you might dedicate 3 days a week to strength training, 2 days to cardio, and incorporate yoga or stretching sessions as active recovery on your rest days. Nutrition is a cornerstone of holistic fitness. The food you eat fuels your workouts, aids in recovery, and supports mental clarity. A balanced diet that provides the right nutrients helps optimize performance and enhances overall wellness. Key nutrition principles. 1. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods. Incorporate a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your diet. These foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants needed for optimal health. 2. Hydrate. Water is essential for energy, digestion, and detoxification. Aim for at least 8 to 10 cups of water per day, adjusting based on your activity level. 3. Balanced macronutrients. Ensure that your meals include a balance of carbohydrates, for energy, proteins, for muscle repair and recovery, and fats, for hormone regulation and joint health. 4. Meal timing. Eat mindfully and ensure you're fueling your body adequately before and after workouts to promote energy, recovery, and muscle growth. Incorporating mindful eating practices, such as eating slowly, listening to hunger cues, and savoring your food, can also improve your relationship with food and prevent overeating. Mental well-being is just as important as physical health when it comes to fitness. Stress, anxiety, and emotional exhaustion can take a toll on your body, potentially leading to burnout, fatigue, or even injury. Use the following methods to cultivate mental wellness. 1. Mindfulness and meditation. Practicing mindfulness or meditation can reduce stress, increase mental clarity, and improve focus. Start with just a few minutes of deep breathing or guided meditation each day to calm your mind. 2. Journaling. Writing about your thoughts, emotions, and goals can help you process feelings and gain perspective. 3. Stress management. Learning to manage stress through techniques like yoga, breathwork, or simply taking time for hobbies and relaxation can enhance both mental and physical fitness. Incorporating these practices into your daily routine not only helps reduce mental clutter but can also improve your overall emotional resilience and self-awareness. Rest and recovery are essential aspects of any fitness plan, especially when taking a holistic approach. Overtraining or neglecting recovery can lead to burnout, injury, and decreased performance. Your body needs time to repair muscles, replenish energy stores, and reset mentally. Prioritize sleep. Sleep is critical for muscle recovery, cognitive function, and emotional balance. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Active recovery. Engage in light movement on rest days, such as walking, stretching, or yoga, to promote circulation and reduce muscle stiffness. Rest days. Allow yourself to take full rest days to prevent overtraining and give your body a chance to fully recover. Listen to your body, pay attention to signs of fatigue, soreness, or mental exhaustion, and adjust your routine accordingly. Some days, rest may be more beneficial than pushing through a tough workout. By prioritizing recovery, you'll not only prevent injury but also maintain long-term physical and mental energy to sustain your fitness plan. One of the most important aspects of a holistic fitness plan is making it sustainable for the long term. Consistency is key, but so is balance. Finding a routine that fits into your lifestyle and makes you feel energized, rather than overwhelmed, is essential for long-term success. Start small. If you're new to fitness or making significant changes to your routine, start with small, achievable goals. For example, begin with 20 minutes of exercise 3 days a week and gradually increase as you build strength and stamina. Mix it up. Variety in your workouts can help prevent boredom and keep you motivated. Try new activities, such as dancing, hiking, or group fitness classes, to stay engaged and challenge your body in different ways. Track progress. Keep a journal or use an app to track your workouts, nutrition, and how you feel each day. This can help you see improvements over time and adjust your plan if necessary. Stay flexible. Life happens, and there will be days when your plan gets derailed. Be kind to yourself, and allow flexibility in your routine. 4. The goal is long-term consistency, not perfection. A holistic fitness plan should feel energizing and sustainable, helping you maintain balance in all areas of your life. Your environment and lifestyle play a significant role in your fitness journey. A holistic approach considers how your daily habits, social connections, and surroundings impact your overall well-being. The following are key lifestyle considerations. 1. Sleep hygiene. Create a calming bedtime routine and an optimal sleep environment, cool, dark, and quiet, to ensure you get quality rest. 2. Social support. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether it's workout buddies, family members, or a fitness group, to stay motivated and accountable. 3. Work-life balance. Ensure that your fitness plan fits into your life in a way that supports, rather than detracts from, your other responsibilities and goals. The goal is to create a lifestyle that fosters both physical health and emotional well-being, helping you stay motivated and balanced. In conclusion, creating a holistic fitness plan is about more than just physical exercise. It's about taking a comprehensive approach that integrates physical movement, proper nutrition, mental health, rest, and lifestyle factors to promote overall wellness. By considering the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit, you can create a fitness plan that not only improves your physical strength and endurance but also enhances your emotional and mental well-being. Ultimately, a holistic fitness plan leads to a balanced, sustainable, and fulfilling lifestyle that supports long-term health and happiness. At Balance Echo, we believe that holistic fitness consistency is the foundation of a healthy, balanced life. These tips will help you not only start your fitness journey but stay on it, no matter the obstacles along the way. Join our community. Subscribe to our channel, like this video and continue to explore Balance Echo for more insights on mind-body wellness, meditation, and holistic health practices. Leave a comment and connect with others who are on the same journey to a balanced life.